The headlines: Manpack political parties invited for meeting by Home Ministry, says CM Biren. Chief Minister launches week-long Matru Vandana Saptah. And Civil Aviation Ministry assures scheduled Imphal-Mandalay flight service soon. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today said the Union Home Ministry has invited Manipur people against Citizenship Bill and different political parties active in the state for consultation regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. He said that Union Home Minister Amit Shah would meet the delegates from the state on December 3rd at 10:30 p.m. in New Delhi. Biren was briefing the media on the sidelines of a function at the CM Secretariat. The state government has also sent necessary intimation letters to Manpack and political parties in this connection. He said, regarding border dispute at Tungjoy in Senapati, the Chief Minister said that, as resolved by the state cabinet, the committee which was formed to resolve boundary issues with Nagaland at Zuko and Tungjoy visited the disputed area at Tungjoy to gather first-hand account of the matter yesterday. Other members of the committee headed by Public Health and Engineering Minister Losi Dikho include Revenue Minister Karam Sham and Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister N. Kaisi, among others, he said. And Biren Singh further said that the state government has also sought intervention from the centre as well to resolve the issue. Meanwhile, the state government is currently in touch with the government of Nagaland as well to bring an amicable and peaceful solution, he added.
Taruk ke aadha ki pirapal isni ai wasigi secretary president sing da khoi chithi loina thagre aduna tarik ahum gi December gi tarik ahum de hayeng nungdang pung tara makhai da karopone aduna masida koi government gi side gi officially invitation loina haiba si da thajagre aduna invitation phangbibu sing in the larger interest of the state thuman banina khara inconvenient lay bi ai aduba ada laina ba phone ba kedong ba khoi ayam ba arrange tore aduna safe hangwiraba singna invitation hangwiraba singna satlaga aikhoi gi grievances mayam do punna haimin naruna ba phongo minaruna ba na appeal tokjani ai samak su yogjagani ai simta ai mayam da clarify togeto.
Meanwhile, Manpack has confirmed the scheduled consultation meeting with Amit Shah tomorrow. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh launched Matru Vandana Saptah, a week-long maternity benefit program taken up under Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Speaking at the occasion, Biren Singh said that around 1.2 crore women had been benefited by the scheme launched in 2017 in the country so far. However, there is still need for the wide publicity of the scheme because a large number of women are still unaware about the noble program, he observed. The Chief Minister directed the officials concerned to execute works related to the scheme on mission mode to achieve the intended target, further asking them to create a WhatsApp group for proper monitoring and effective implementation, pointing that lack of awareness is the primary reason for low rate of registration in hill and interior areas. The Chief Minister also stressed on the need for keeping ADC members, village authorities and Panchayati Raj institutions in loop in this regard. He further instructed the concerned officials to identify and award the best performing district and block.
This aim and object of the Honorable Prime Minister is healthy mother, healthy sign and a healthy society. Rural area that Pangana labor mayam PB or Yam Henakana, rural area that Oa Bucket of Mayam labor. Alnaina Kadam Delhi monitoring a Masang. Manipur say only leg part is the monitoring. Maro in Ukrunanga site of Kana Singi area the enormous because lack of awareness ne aduna akhoi CMST gi aduga kanogi da koina Ayushman Bharat ki da tawbod maina just you organize.
Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen, who also attended the function, said that the scheme is a noble effort of the government to provide monetary help to pregnant women and lactating mothers to have proper diet and nutritious food. She also observed that apart from government officials, people also have a great role to play in making the scheme a success.
India masigi pregnant women amadi lactating mother singna machi leba tinjak chaba phangdebagi thengnariba awaba singadu masi PMMVY scheme asina kharadam oirabasu kokhan bangamni masigi makada scheme asigi makada rupees 5,000 beneficiary adugi account installment 3 installment hokna phanghanduna pregnant women amadi lactating mother singna machi leba chinja chahanduna masa pana thamhanba ngamlani.
Under Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, Rs 5,000 is provided to pregnant women and lactating mothers for first living child of the family in 3 installments. The amount will be transferred directly to their bank accounts or post office accounts. In case of institutional delivery, an additional benefit of Rs 1,000 can also be claimed under Janani Suraksha Yojana. In the state, number of beneficiaries enrolled under the scheme till November 30, 2019 is 27,219. And a total amount of Rs 10 crore 85 lakhs 29,000 has been disbursed to beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer so far. The week-long observation organized under the theme towards building a healthy nation, safe mother, healthy nation will continue till December 8, 2019. The scheme is implemented by the State Social Welfare Department in association with district administration of different districts, Health and Family Welfare Department, Panchayati Raj institutions, etc. Keeping in view the long-cherished aspirations of the people of Manipur to have air connectivity with Mandalay, Myanmar, the government of Manipur has been seriously pursuing for introduction of scheduled flight operations between Imphal and Mandalay for quite some time. Regrettably, instead of a scheduled flight service, the Ministry of Civil Aviation gave permission for chartered flights for a limited duration of time. Accordingly, the passenger chartered Mandalay-Imphal flight service by MS Air KBZ Limited, Myanmar, that was launched on 23rd November 2019 with MSKB Enterprises Imphal as the tour operator, was only for a period up to December 7, 2019 as permitted by Ministry of Civil Aviation. Considering the unsustainability of the financing model over the long term and the inherent limitations of chartered flight operation, the state government has been exploring various options to have direct scheduled flights between Imphal and Mandalay at economical rates while imposing least cost to the state exchequer. The government of Manipur has taken up with the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India for including the Imphal-Mandalay sector under the International Udan scheme, which seeks to make use of the open skies policy that India has with other Asian countries, allowing direct and unlimited flights to and from these nations to select Indian destinations. Ministry of Civil Aviation has assured the state government's proposal for including Imphal-Mandalay sector under International Udan will be taken up on a priority, acknowledging the state's importance in Act East policy. In Manipur, the 9-day-long Sangai Festival 2019 will wrap up this evening. The annual tourism festival began from November 24. The festival is organized by the State Tourism Department and biggest festival held annually to promote tourism. The formal closing function of the festival is being held at Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre, Imphal. State Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah is attending the closing event as the chief guest. The festival is held at 3 venues, Hapta Kangjebung, Lamboy Khongrangkhong and Kaibul Lamjau. The festival witnessed cultural programs, traditional games, folk dance and classical music performed by different communities of Manipur as well as from other states. The Manipur government has terminated altogether 33 MCS and MPS officers from their service following the recent ruling by Supreme Court. In this regard, an order was issued today. A short commercial break, but coming up next. Red Cross Society organizes training cum orientation program on school safety and securities measure for teachers and students at Lamlong High Secondary School, Imphal. More after the break.
Ano ba nungai pa? Government ki thaba ma soina phangba yaragani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnaba gi damakta guarantee pidun lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaleba ICS coaching center Imphal aso hanagan. ICS ki thoidoba officers sing di course amakhak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department sing gi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haiba sing asida thabak line phangalagani. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari nataga manga sangadaba question singbu second ahum nataga mari da solve to bangamale Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chawju thamjari for details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal kasam thong hodam lairak
Welcome back. Samagra Siksha Manipur and Education School Manipur, in collaboration with Manipur Fire Service and Indian Red Cross Society, organized a training cum orientation program on school safety and securities measure for teachers and students at Lamlong High Secondary School, Imphal. The program began from November 16 with participation of teachers and students from 80 different schools of all districts of Manipur. Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam Singh, Principal of Lamlong High Secondary School, Commissioner of Education S.T. Ranjit Singh, Divisional Officer Manipur Fire Service L. Nabachandra Singh and ASPD Samagra Siksha Manipur T. Fulan Maitei MCS attended today's program. During the program, Minister T.H. Radheshyam said that risk-taking is a part of life and talked about basic safety measures. The minister also stressed on more extracurricular activities for students.
Cycle mana ko do ho le lo ado ma ye ni break hote ye ga cycle kisma na handle na ni pa ye ne ko na ma na ka ni do ko me tu ni ka ni ha na ka pi re ga di ma pi phang ye hai ye hai lo ba adu na yari nei mo ko na so yo mo se ta li mo ta take them out do ko ye ngal lo uki de puro yo ya lo u ka lo sa na lo ko ga lo se ga let them play let them learn life skills.
Kendriya Vidyalaya Akampat organized its annual day function 2019-20 at Sangeet Kala Sangam, Kurai today. Students performed colorful traditionals and cultural programs during the event. Imphal East District Commissioner Rangita Baling Waikom, who is also the chairperson of the school, attended the function as chief guest. Students who bagged medals in the recent National Annual Sports Meet 2019 were felicitated by presenting simple gifts at the event.
Please give a very big hand.
Bishnupur District Police, including commando personnel, conducted search and cordon operations at Maibam Chingmang and Maibam Kaboikhul early this morning. Altogether, 220 persons, including 75 women, were verified. 5 individuals, including a woman, was picked up and later handed over to Nambol Police Station for further verification, a police report said. Wangkai Puja Lampak Women's Welfare Association, a young voluntary organization, Imphal Public Club, Paradise Club, Maira Paibis of Konung Manung and Thangapat Mapal today jointly staged an alert protest at Wangkai, Imphal. Wangkai Puja Lampak Women's Welfare Organization Secretary Maistam Ibethoi said the organizations strongly condemn the extension of Sangai Festival for 2 more days by the state government and organizing Hyang Tanaba, a traditional boat race which is held as part of Sangai Festival at Thangabat Mapan of Imphal East. The local organizations maintained that all kinds of festivities should be avoided in view of the prevailing situation facing the state emanating from Indo-Naga talks and citizenship bill.
Siyauna waraba chiraba leifam chapam khangdraba tangdu leitadra akoina hoji sigumba irang tobagi matam nate haidana akoi nungaitaba phongdokpa akoi yaningdaba phongdokpa oina phamjabani.
A meeting was held at tension-grieved Yaripok Tulihal Konjin Lerkai last night over the death of a local boy named Muhammad Tariq Aziz Alais, scientist, a class 10 student of Wisdom Foundation Khangabo. The meeting was attended by representatives of All Manipur Students Union, All Manipur Muslim Students Organization and All Manipur Muslims Organization Coordinating Committee. There are conflicting claims over the death of the 15-year-old boy. He allegedly died of electrocution at the school boarding. A joint action committee on the mysterious death of Muhammad Tariq Aziz was also formed during the meeting. The JAC demanded an investigation.
I'm the cutting Indonesian, but by force, I am a way father and not Kinsan Palma, have to come on. Among I gave single exactly I put again up with Ahan. None not to go to the right lay. Man, I'm a top school under Masilego. Yes, the cat like little body I lay by Ina. Now on the Punga, right here. I'm on the hair is the Potter from the Pungan area. I'm boarding up the Sulam in the Hati Mayambola. But I'm the if contribution to Kanan Maria Mark, Jim Marker, nothing Manami has. Jim Kalikama to go to the equator Peter Manusin. At the anything but I do another unconscious way cover. Not a gun to the market like it.
Borobekra CD block was inaugurated today during a ceremony organized by Public Works Department, Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj at Borobekra subdivision under Jiribam district. Those present at the event were Jiribam MLA Ashabuddin, Deputy Commissioner Jiribam M. Rajkumar Singh, Chief Engineer PWD N. Noren Singh, Director of RD and PR H. Balkrishna Singh, Superintendent of Police Jiribam M. Mubi Singh and Executive Engineer Jiribam Division PWD Y. Bochau Singh. Speaking at the event, Jiribam MLA Ashabuddin said that the newly opened office will benefit this subdivision. Another short commercial break, but stay tuned.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra?
Chumme, yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets khara yenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi setsi anu yorokuni, ma'am. Yengbiyu.
Che, sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro che. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture na wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chaw pijari.
Phare adu si tarsia.
Oya che, seli topsi.
Se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back. Singat Battalion of Churachandpur Sector Assam Rifles under the AG's headquarter IGAR South organized a 7-day-long training camp from November 24 to 30, 2019 under Project Swavlamban for farmers of border villages of Singat subdivision. The week-long training was conducted in coordination with ICAR, Imphal and Green Biotech Eco Solution Imphal. Training on mushroom cultivation, organic farming and piggery farming in a strictly scientific manner in consonance with the Government of India's National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture was imparted upon 32 villagers covering 7 remote villages of the Singat subdivision. Kumar Director ICAR, Dr. N. Prakash appreciated the initiative by the Assam Rifle. The villagers praised the humane approach of Assam Rifles and the cordial approach of ICAR for conducting the project. Nizami Education Group organized the first education summit at TG High Secondary School, Imphal today. Cycles were distributed to 20 selected students of the school. Nizami Education Group provides opportunity to 300 selected students each year for further studies in outside states through a mandatory test.
Thank you. Mapan Subada, Wahingam Vidya Lakshmi, Tana Subada, Amom Rizia Devi. 11 Science, Wangu Degit, Kisampataleba, Rizia.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council is planning to provide a pension amount of Rs 300 each to all senior Sumang Lila artists who have attained the age of 60. It was informed by Council's Lifetime Secretary S. Himanta today while announcing the election of 19 new office bearers of the Council for the term 2019 to 2013 at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglane, Imphal.
Masi ekoi pension tham da balsi o bina ba ekoi thora ba ka sumangi la institution nama sumangi la khatte ki ba institution nama ekoi packet ka order ga amana man sumangi la ji buthi ba bang buthi ba le ko na ta mani ko da le ko na basi international level da kamaina lam thi na ge ki happy ko khalon ba paisa da koi na sumangi la ji le ka so traditional theater ai basi jati ku di mangi le ba ku di mangi loi le lagi packing opera lay ado koi sai na nauting ki na simpa ka ka no simpa map lay ba tradition theater ba se koi basi international level la koi festival ko pamko ko ga na be da antar to pa ka ni membership ki mang ana to kai ni paisa na to lagi ko ka lagi hai ba simpa matam ni sarkar ta na mani khande to center ta na mani khande koi sanjay mo na be thora ma yam kana tauri.
The High New Trap National Liberation Council has announced that it is ready for peace talks even within the ambit of the Constitution of India to regain the respect and recognition as a nation, a media report said. Unfortunately, nothing has materialized. Nongtro, who is also the publicity secretary of HNLC, said, adding that they should be given a platform to voice our concerns. Sainkupur Nongtrao, General Secretary of HNLC, in a statement yesterday said from 2004, they have been expressing their willingness to shun the path of violence and join the mainstream. The Ministry of Home Affairs on November 18 had issued fresh orders banning the HNLC under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. At least 14 people have been killed after gunmen opened fire inside a church in Burkina Faso. The victims were attending a service at a church in Hantaukora in the eastern part of the country yesterday, according to media reports. The identity of the gunmen is not known and the motive is unclear. Now we have the sports news. The world's largest cricket stadium at Ahmedabad, with a capacity to host 1.10 lakh fans, is likely to be ready to host its first match next March. An exhibition game between Asia 11 and World 11 could be the inaugural game if the International Cricket Council agrees to Indian Cricket Board's request. The new Sardar Patel Stadium, built at cost of Rs 700 crores after razing down the old structure at Motera, can seat more fans than Australia's Melbourne Cricket Ground, which has the capacity of just over a lakh. Jay Shah, the son of Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the current secretary of the BCCI, has been taking up the stadium as the brainchild of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the PM is expected to be at the inauguration of the new stadium. Now the top news headlines once again. Man-packed political parties invited for meeting by Home Ministry, says CM Biren. Chief Minister launches week-long Matru Vandana Saptah. And Civil Aviation Ministry assures scheduled Imphal-Mandalay flight service soon. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.